gentlemen, about to enter the field in 4A competition, the Spartan Sound from Saraland High School in Saraland. The band director is Neil Sasser, assistant director Chase Davidson, drum major Mr. Chandler Smith, percussion captains Tyler MacArthur and Jeff Turner, color guard captains Kayla Turner, Brady Parker, Kat Carwell, Jessica Mayers, Majorette and featured twirler captain Brooklyn Lundy. The principal is Beverly Spondike. The superintendent, Dr. Aaron Milner.
I bet you don't.
Drum major, is your band ready?
Make a big noise, playing in the street, gonna be a big man someday. You got mud on your face, you big disgrace, kicking your can all over the place.
for Saraland High School go out to my favorite chick magnet. You rock, and I'm so glad I can call you one of my best friends. I can't wait to see what your future holds. You're the best, boss. Love you, Chance, your friend of 18 years. To Chandler from Mom, Dad, and Delaney, we are so proud of you. This is it, your last competition. Go out there and have fun with it. We love you. To the color guard captains from Brianna, have an amazing last contest. I love you girls and guys so much. To the band from Count Dracula from Sesame Street, the number of days 7. To Fernando from Kaylee, hit those high notes and shake your stuff, mister. I think I saw Amy. To day 7 from Briance, hold it down. Happy birthday or whatever. You're 17 or whatever. Good luck and play your heart out or whatever. To Justin from Colin, Mom and Dad, don't crack that high note. Be awesome. Do your best. Your best is always just right. To Lauren from Colin, Mom and Dad, don't squeak. Be awesome. Do your best. Your best is always just right. To the color guard from Kaylee Langley, hey girls, do well. Smile real big. Love y'all. To Will Langley from your mom, do great, have fun, and remember, you're always my favorite. To Joshua Bain from Mom and Dad, we are so proud of you. Hope your senior year is everything you